Today I'm going to show you how to update a lead using Zoho CRM in N8N step by step. This is a simple but very useful automation if you want to keep your lead records accurate, update contact details, change lead status, or sync new information from another app directly into Zoho CRM without doing it manually every time. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick N8N and automation guides. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8N. This is the workflow where you want the lead update to happen, so make sure you're in the correct automation before adding anything new. If you already have a workflow built, just open it from your dashboard. If not, create a new one and get ready to add the Zoho CRM step. Next, go to the Nodes panel. On the left side of N8N, you'll see the full list of available nodes and integrations. In that panel, search for Zoho CRM. You can type it into the search bar to make it quicker, and once it appears, click on it to add it to your workflow. After that, choose Update a Lead. This is the action you need when you want to modify an existing lead record in Zoho CRM. Instead of creating a new lead, this option lets you update details for a lead that already exists in your CRM. Now it's time to configure what you want to update. Open the node settings and set the fields you need. Depending on your workflow, this could be something like lead name, email, phone number, status, company, or any other lead information available in your Zoho CRM setup. Make sure the values you enter are mapped correctly from the previous steps in your workflow if you're pulling data from another node. At this point, double-check the lead identifier or any required matching field so Zoho CRM knows exactly which lead to update. This is important because if the lead reference is incorrect, the update will not go to the right record. Once the fields are filled in, review everything carefully to make sure the data you want changed is mapped to the correct values. And that's it, you've now set up Zoho CRM to update a lead inside N8N. From here, you can continue building the rest of your automation or test the workflow to confirm the lead updates correctly. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more N8N tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.